Alright, just found these heat pumps right here on the side of the building coming around. Just gonna film them. Here's this 1 hour. It's a Goodman brand. I know it's a Goodman, so yeah, 1 hour. Couple numbers and scroll. This is a big unit. I love big Goodmans. It's just rebranded. 14 to 16 SEER. 2020. It's a 3-ton for GSZ16. Huh. Interesting. I've never seen a 16 SEER Goodman. Rheem, plastic series. And the couple numbers and scroll. Reversing valve right there. Protect fan motor right there. And it's from 2016. It's RP14. Imagine if this were RP16. Guys, let me know if there are RP16s out there. I don't know. Those are rare units to come by. Lennox unit right here. With the crooked, with the angled compressor. It's a Goodman numbers and scroll. There's a reversing valve right there. It's from 2017. It's a 2.5 ton. Okay. Yeah, 3 units right here. Anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.